What is the best car polish to use? If you are a teenager who just got your driver's license, you might be wondering how to keep your new car looking sharp. One essential part of car care is polishing, but what is the best car polish to use? Let's break it down in a simple way. First, it is important to know what car polish does. Car polish helps remove minor scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation from your car's paint. It smooths out imperfections and brings back that shiny look. Remember, polish is different from wax, which mainly protects the paint after polishing. For beginners, especially teens who may be polishing by hand, it is best to start with a mild to moderate polish. This type is easier to apply and remove. Some great options include Meguiars Ultimate Polish, which is user-friendly and effective at removing light swirls. Griots Garage Polish and Optimum Hyper Polish are also good choices for those just starting out. Gold Standard Polish is another option that works well and leaves minimal residue. When it comes to tools, if you decide to use a machine polisher, consider a dual-action polisher with foam pads. Softer foam pads are less aggressive and safer for beginners. They help bring out the gloss without risking damage to the paint. More aggressive pads are better for experienced users. Now, let's talk about how to polish safely. Always wash and dry your car thoroughly before you start polishing. Using a clay bar can help remove surface contaminants, giving you a smoother finish. Work in small sections and apply the polish evenly. Use microfiber towels to gently remove any polish residue. Avoid polishing in direct sunlight or on hot surfaces, as this can lead to uneven results. After polishing, it is a good idea to apply a quality wax or sealant. This will protect the paint and keep it looking shiny for longer. Some popular waxes for beginners are Turtle Wax Graphene Wax and Bilt Hamber Double Speed Wax. For teens, here are some practical tips. Start with hand polishing to get the hang of it before moving on to machine polishers. Practice on less visible areas first to build your confidence. Take your time. Polishing requires patience to avoid damaging the paint. Regularly keeping your car clean can reduce the need for heavy polishing. Lastly, check out tutorials or videos focused on beginners to learn more. In summary, the best car polish for teenagers balances ease of use, effectiveness, and safety. Products like Meguiars Ultimate Polish are excellent starting points. With the right tools and techniques, you can keep your car looking great while learning responsible car care habits.